Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to turn off dark mode on Google Chrome. If the dark theme isn't quite your style or feels hard on your eyes, switching back to light mode is quick and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. To begin, open your Chrome browser by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, you're ready to dive in. Step 2. Access the menu. At the top right corner of your browser, you'll spot 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can tweak and customize your browsing experience. Step 4. Find the Appearance section. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the Appearance section. You might need to scroll down a little to find it. This section contains options for adjusting how Chrome looks and feels. Step 5. Switch to light mode. Under the Appearance section, click on Themes to enter Chrome's theme settings. From here, select the option labeled Light to switch back to a brighter, more traditional interface. Step 6. Enjoy the brighter view. After selecting the light theme, you can simply close the Settings tab. The changes will take effect immediately, and you'll notice that Chrome has returned to light mode. And there you have it. You've successfully switched from dark mode back to light mode in just a few steps. If you ever feel like trying dark mode again or exploring other themes, you can repeat these steps. Thank you for following along and happy browsing!